Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at these BATWAYPRO 20V 4.0Ah batteries for Black+Decker Lithium power tools. So this is a 2-pack, so this comes with two 4.0Ah batteries, and this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So let's get this open. So we have two batteries here. Here's the manual. Let's take a quick look at it. Now you'll want to read through this on your own. So this just has tips for using the battery. It says use the charger. So you want to use Black+Decker charger to charge this. And we just have notes in a different language on the back. So here are the batteries. So these are 80 watt-hour batteries. So here I have a Black+Decker drill. So this has a Black+Decker brand battery on it. And these are around the same size. Looks like almost same form factor. But these are going to have higher capacity cells. So let's try the regular one. I'll put the aftermarket in. Okay, that works. Let's try charging these. So this is the Black+Decker charger that fits on the battery. So we'll try it on these batteries. So that clips on. And I'll plug that in, and it's flashing, showing it's charging. So I don't know what the charge is on these. I'm going to let these charge up and then we'll test them out. Okay, so I've charged both of these up. So this one's finished charging. On my charger it's green, so I can pull that off. And now I can place it in the drill. So that'll clip on just like the OEM battery. So now I'll run the drill. So let's try this out a little bit. Got a piece of wood here. I have some drill bits. Let's try drilling a hole. Now I need to be careful I don't drill into my bench here. So I'll try drilling. Okay, seem to have adequate power for that. Now I'll try driving some screws. Now a lot of this is the reflection on the drill as much as it is the batteries, but we'll see if the batteries can provide the power. Now this drill is not known for having a lot of torque, but I have these GRK cabinet screws. Let's try screwing these in without pre-drilling. Yeah, that worked great. It had lots of power. So I'm using this with the Black+Decker drill, but these would work well for other tools. Here I have the battery and a leaf blower. Since these are a larger battery, these would specifically work well with things like sanders or leaf blowers, where you want to have larger capacity. Now the nice thing here is this is a 2-pack, so it comes with the two batteries. So you can be using one while you're charging the other, and then you can swap them out. Especially using something like a drill, there's no reason why you would have a dead battery, because you probably won't be using the battery up faster than you can charge it. Now these did take a while to charge because they're 80 watt-hours, and this was charging at about, I don't know, 10, 11 watts. So it did take about 8 hours. But if you're using this intermittently, you're not going to run down super fast. So those are the BATWAYPRO 20V 4.0Ah batteries for the Black+Decker Lithium Max power tools. If you have some Black+Decker tools like this and you're looking for some aftermarket batteries with large capacity, I think this is a great option. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.